Hello everybody, this is Tanya, and today I'm going to try my hand at chicken taco pizza. So I have my pizza pan here. I'll be using the naan bread. I got this at Sam's. I have some leftover rotisserie chicken. Again, I got that at Sam's. Mexican style cheese. Again, bought at Sam's. I'll be using some Slap Your Mama for my seasoning, as well as taco seasoning. You can use whatever kind of taco seasoning you want. This is just happen to be what I have on hand. And I'll be using our homemade salsa. So I think what I'm going to do, at least in my mind, I'm just going to mix all these three things with the chicken. And I do apologize for the dishwasher. I'll mix all these three ingredients with the chicken. Spread it on the naan bread, put the cheese on top of it, and put it in the oven. And let it melt down or mellow, whatever you want to call it. Let it blend together. And then I'll be topping that with lettuce and some sour cream in all probability. But anyway, I'll bring you back and let you see what it looks like before I put it in the oven. And yeah, so let me go ahead and get this together, and I will be back at you. And I just wanted to show you guys, this is some chicken. Like I said, I just shredded it up. Some are big pieces because I used it for something else before. I'm trying to think, is this going to be too much? It'll work. It'll be alright. Yeah, it will be alright. Put me a little Slap Your Mama on there, because Slap Your Mama tastes good on everything. Seasoning. Let's see if that's all we have now. We're gonna set it. We're gonna call it a day. We'll say it's fine. And here's a jar of tacos. I'm sorry, sauce that I had already open. See if this is gonna be enough. Try that and see how that works. Put that up. It's pretty good. Let me put a little bit more sauce. Okay, I'm back, and this is what it looks like prior to me putting it in the oven. And I have my oven preheated for 400 degrees. And I'm gonna let this stay in the oven for maybe 5 to 7 minutes. The bread is already done. We just want to get it toasty, and we want to get the cheese melted. Okay, so I will come back once my cheese is melted and toasty. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, everybody, here's the pizza done. It looks and smells delicious. Get your overhead shot so you can see it. And with lettuce and sour cream on it, I'm thinking it's gonna be good. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and leave a legacy. Y'all have a great night.